Number one, have you got a clear vision for what you're calling into your life? And I like to break this down into three. First thing is 5-year vision. What's the ambition? Where do you want to live? How do you want to be seen? What do you want to be free to do? You've got to have a couple of paragraphs in a journal that says, I am, always in the present tense, I'm living here, I'm doing this, I'm free to experience this, I have these things in my life, I feel this way. You've got to have a vision for where you're going. It could be a couple paragraphs in a journal, it could be pictures in a vision book, doesn't matter. But you've got to be able to say, this is what I want. And the test of it is, if a genie knocked on your door, says like, yo, Lisa, I'm going to give you everything you want. What do you want? You've got to be able to say, I'm glad you're here. I actually have a book. If I could just run through the list with you, and you must be specific about what you're calling in. So 5-year vision. Number two, you've got to have a 1-year goal. I know from the hundreds of people that I've worked with, there is one goal that if they achieved it, it would change their life. It would make every other goal easy. What is that one goal? People don't make progress because they are overwhelmed with all of the options, all of the ideas, all of the things they could become. I'm telling you, write down all of your goals, everything you want, cross off all the stuff that you're doing for other people that isn't really for you. Go back to the truth. What am I here to do? Who am I here to become? What do I know I'm capable of? And pick one goal that will change your life. If you're destined to be an inspirational speaker or a big movie star or anything, it can be big or small, that might be year 3, 4, 5. Year 1, 2 might be get out of this relationship, get out of debt, get more stable, get more secure, get my health back on track. So this is the beauty of breaking it down and thinking 5-year vision is this. Here are the stepping stones that are going to get me there. The immediate focus becomes X, right? So what is the goal that will change your life over the next 5 years? Third thing, in terms of defining what you're becoming, 90-day sprint. I freaking love this. I'm obsessed with this. When you think about the thing that you want in your life, all you have to ask is, what does somebody with that result do on a daily basis? How do they think? How do they behave? What do they prioritize? What are the 4 or 5 key behaviors? You knock them down in a tracker, and every single day you can let go of the result, because every single day you just keep thinking, right, I know that to hit this, I have to be the person who. I know that to be fit and in shape and strong, I have to be the person who on a weekly basis goes to the gym or goes swimming or goes cycling with friends 3 times a week. Let go of the vision, it's there, you can relax because you're doing the thing. That's what's going to bring it about. So the first thing in changing your life, get crystal clear on your vision. This takes discipline, it takes courage, and it takes a commitment to doing the work, to calling in what you want. And to be honest, you might think you've got so many things you want, you might feel confused, you might feel overwhelmed. If you can break it down to 5-year vision, 1-year goal, 90-day sprint on the behaviors, who do you have to become, you'll realize it's not that difficult. Bring it into focus, find the discipline to do that, and you're already way ahead of the mark. So many people do not have clarity on where they're going, so they're never going to get it, all right?